Your Excellencies, the former President of Nigeria, President Obasanjo, my dear senior brother, President Jonathan, Your Excellency, the former First Lady, Your Excellency, the governors, especially the governor of Bayelsa State, brother, Your Excellency, our host governor, the performing governor of Bauchi State, Your Excellency, the former Vice President, the former SDF, all the former governors and everything, let me stand, our revered traditional rulers, to share the Emir of Bauchi. Let me stand on all due and existing protocols. Quite surprised that I have to make remark, but I have to start by thanking our former Vice President for this consistency in dialogue and discussing democracy. It portrays you as a true Democrat, which you've lived since you left office. And I thank our host for this wonderful thing. As somebody who benefited from Nigerian democracy and judiciary, I was just talking to somebody seated here, a judge of Supreme Court, a retired judge of Supreme Court, who I never met in my life, but he wrote the judgment that made me governor. I just told her here, I said, where will you get that type of judgment in Nigeria today? It's impossible. I never met her. I met her 2 years after being governor, and he tapped me and said, I am just so and so person. But he wrote my judgment. I was in court for 3 years, challenging my election. 5 governors that I never met one day gave judgment in my favor. It cannot happen in Nigeria of today. I went to Court of Appeal. 5 judges I never met gave judgment in my favor. So if you look at that and look at what is happening today in Nigeria, where professors are now aiding illiterates to rig election, where our lawmakers have removed forgery as an offense in electoral matter. And senior advocates of Nigeria are defending forgery. Our religious leaders are now praying for criminal politicians for blessing. We have a crisis. And above all, our judges are now thinking, on your mandate we stand. So it is a big, I urge all of us, unexamined life is not worth living. It is time for every Nigerian to sit down and ask ourselves, where is our nation going? We need to reverse this, because the abuse we are allowing today will take its revenge on our children. God bless all of you.
Can we appreciate Mr. Peter Obi one more time? Thank you very much. Thank you.